of HTML5 and CSS3. So this is a project. I will teach with you how you can create this project with the help of HTML5 and CSS3. So this is a fully responsive. First I will show you the project demo, okay, and I decrease or increase the size of the browser, then you're able to see this is a fully responsive, right? And behind the project have a pictures. You can download this picture from pixabay.com. I write pixabay.com and search on the address bar just Apple. After searching Apple, then you need to go on below. Just a minute, I will show you guys. Where is the picture? This is the picture, right? So you can download this picture from pixabay.com. So let's get start to create a project. This is a project. Inside the project have a one file index.php, I mean HTML and CSS3 main.css3, and this is the image folder. Inside the image have a same image. So first thing you need to write the basic syntax of HTML5, and then you need to include the CSS file main.css, right? Then you need to change the title, contact us from responsive, right? Okay, so first thing you need to write div and assign the class contact man. Inside this div you need to make another div and assign the class. No, I write h1 and I write the contact us. Then I use border. This is a simple div. Inside this div I will use this class to display the border, right? Now the next thing is I will create a contact us form index.html inside this form, and also I assign the class. Class is a contact form, and then we need to use input text field, class form contact txt form, and placeholder name, copy that, paste, and email, copy, paste, and mobile number. Then I use text area and I remove the whole properties, and I just assign the class like contact txt form, right? Now the next thing is we need to use button, and I write the button is a send the class btn send, right? This is a button class, right? So right click it and open with live server, close that. This is our form, okay? Now go to CSS file. First you need to write static split brackets and use padding 0 pixel, margin 0 pixel, and then font family. You can write font family. I just assign this one, okay? I remove all fonts. Now the next one is you need to select the class. The first one class is a contact form. Copy that, paste here, just write dot sign, split brackets. First you need to include the background URL image folder. Inside image have image, and you need to write a no repeat center and background size, cover, padding 40 pixel and also 0 pixel. Then I target contact man, just a minute, this one, okay, copy that, paste here and also paste here, and select h1 tag, and I just write the text align, center, color is a white, okay. Now the next one is a border class. Select border class, okay, this one to display the border. Okay, so first you need to write the width, 100 pixel, height 10 pixel, background hash 34495E, and margin 40 pixel auto, and then I need to use contact form class to assign the properties. First save that and let's look at that in the inside the browser, okay. Now the select next one class is a contact form like this, and assign the properties. First one is a max width, 600 pixel, and height 10 pixel, background 34495E. First we need to use hash sign, and I use margin no, contact form max width, and then I use margin auto, padding 0 and 10 pixel, overflow hidden, right. This is a few properties I used to contact form, so let's look at that, okay. Now the next thing is we need to target the next one class. Next one class is a contact txt form. I will show you guys, just a minute, this one, okay. So first thing you need to write display block width 100%, okay, and box sizing border box, margin 60 and 0 pixel, border 0 pixel, background hash black, okay, hash 3 times 1, okay, and finally you need to write a padding 20 pixel 40 pixel. Now the next property is you need to use contact txt form, and when user will hover the mouse inside text form, I mean input text fields. First I save that. As you can see guys, this is the outlook of the project, okay. And when user hover the mouse on the input text field, then I want to change the border sizing 0 pixel 0 pixel 10 pixel, and then color is a 34495E, okay. And then I target text area dot contact txt form. First I assign the property resize none, height 120 pixels, and then I target contact txt form focus, and when user click on the input text field, then I want to assign the border shadow, so I use box shadow 0 pixel, 0 pixel, 10 pixel, 4 pixel, and assign the background color 34495E. Finally, we need to target the button btn send. First, I assign the property float right. I want to display the button on the right side, and then I use border 0 pixel, background hash 34495E, color white, right, and padding 12 pixel, 50 pixel, border radius 20 pixel, cursor pointer, okay, and transition, I will assign the transition 0.5 seconds. So save that and let's look at that in the browser. Okay, right, I decrease the size of the browser, then you are able to see this is a fully responsive form. Okay, do you want to change the color, and when user hover the mouse on the browser button, I want to change the color like background ash black, okay, color white. Save that and let's check it now. As you can see, guys, right? Okay, now the next thing is, first I check it. Okay, I have written data inside input text field. We have seen the data text has been blacked. Okay, so I go to above and I target this one and just assign class color FFF means white. So refresh that and write anything else, this is a white. Okay guys, so this is our simple project. We have written HTML and CSS3 to design the simple form like this.